back to another video. Today we will be playing Ice Cream Simulator. So yeah, I made a video. Yeah, I made a video with my cousin. If you saw him, he was called Ryan Ben 2009. Go follow him. He's the bestest person ever. He is a pro at everything. Also, he's a pro at jailbreak, and if you like jailbreak, you have to follow him. Anyway, today we're playing Ice Cream Sim. Really excited today because I haven't played this game in a bit of a long time. With my brother here. Yusuf, what was the update again?
Airship.
Airship.
And Skyland.
Skyland's old. Oh wait, there's the airship.
300 Weaver.
300.
Yeah.
Well, I got 627.
I also heard there was a new Gachapod.
Gachapod.
Yeah, two.
Oh yeah, there's a pet. Oh wait. Can I go in here?
No.
What is this?
Your
Oh my. Oh, these are obbies. One. Oh, okay, everybody fails. E. Oh.
Finished it.
Why am I so bad at it? If you guys haven't seen me playing Ice Cream Sim with my cousin, you have to go watch that video. It was epic. Your chair's kind of stuck in my chair, which doesn't really make sense. Anyways, guys, so
Yeah.
oh my god, a friend of mine just joined the game. Should I say?
He's called Nitro Polo. Go friend him, but he's kind of like doesn't like anybody.
Yeah, so Nitro Pro, as you can see, is a friend of mine. He's really cool, and yeah,
I have one with us.
it's really funny. He's a really cool guy, and he likes playing Roblox
a lot.
Oh yeah, and if you guys like Pet Sim, go follow him, and yeah. Okay, I don't want to say that.
No, I don't want you to help.
That's so rude. Oh god, that was kind of failed. Yes, that's when you're so mean. Shall I beat it for you? That's really mean, Yusuf. You can just say that out loud because you're making me offended.
Should I beat it for you? Because
No.
I beat this one.
I can't, look, I'm doing it by myself, see?
But I see Russell plays.
Oh, fuck, I'll get you. Yusuf, just do it.
Do
it!
Love him.
I absolutely love, and I mean love this game.
What do I say that?
Okay, guys, comment down below if you like sweet popcorn or salt popcorn. Because,
Sweet.
what is it? It's the last video, me and Yas were playing Mining Sim. It was a bit crazy. Anyways, we were having popcorn and she ruined it by giving me popcorn, but I was grateful because I like popcorn. Anyways, and we had so, and we want to see who's much better. We want you guys to comment down below and say salt or sweet is better, blah, blah, blah. Then I'm going to count down the votes. Whoever wins gets to have a shout out in the next video. So basically, all the people who voted sweet and salt is going to get a shout out. Let's go about that, okay? Anyways, we just, my boy's doing this for me, so did he do it?
Yes.
Yusuf, you talk, okay? Our guys will be back in a second.
Yes, of course I've done it. I already beat it. But it's really glitch that you can't get it.
So much noise in it. Anyways, so wait, Yusuf, how long have you been playing Ice Cream Sim for?
10 years.
Dude, you really haven't. It's really a big
You
lot.
know how that's
I'm gonna be gone for 1 second.
Please, yeah. Yusuf, you know how that's nice if you're not even 10 years old. I got it. Correct. Mine doesn't know anything about how good I am.
Yeah. Guys, we're giving you a 3-second challenge. You guys only have 5 seconds to subscribe. Now,
And hit the notifications.
and comment if you did. Only 5 seconds to do it. 5 indeed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Comment down if you done it.
Comment if you done it in 5 seconds. Okay, I'm back. What have I missed? Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, cool. What are we? Is this yourself? Oh my god, you got me so freaking wet. Where did these things come from?
These are keys I found.
Where'd
Don't finish
do you do with them?
You have to give it to the chest man. It
So you
says
have to get all of them.
yes. Just finish this one, please. But you still don't know any secret.
No! And here, oh my god, I'm
I can get the hard ones.
It's a new music. Oh, I'm very upset.
I can put the hard ones on. Oh yes, I remember.
I'm also learning how to like try and edit
No,
videos.
leave me alone.
It's really hard, please. No hating here. Wait, what's this?
You have to get 10 keys from him.
What's this?
I'll give you.
Bring me 10 keys, I shall reward you. We have, oh my god, 10 keys. 9, 8.
Guys.
Wait, where's number 8? What would he give us? I shall reward you. I shall reward you. I shall reward you. Really? You beated it?
Yes.
You said, why are you whispering? Is it like something you want?
I already need it.
Okay. I'm really bad. This
Nope,
game
I'm
goes
already
on
there.
shouting for the last
I
100
can't go
minutes.
anywhere.
Why?
Because I can't find it.
Wait, I want to see, I want to see, I want to see, I want to see, what is this?
Oh, I died again. 5 billion tokens.
Oh my goodness. I only got like, so bad. I'm so bad.
Comment who's better, QCUC or Gaming Team 20? My opinion, QCUC.
Guys, please, see like Salt and Sweet Popcorn. Whoever wins will get a shout out. Basically, for example, if there's 10 people, I'll give 5 people a shout out if they voted Salt or Sweet, or like, and then of the 4, like, you know, to do that, you just get it, right? So just say your flavour, and I might give you a shout out. Well, I will give you a shout out.
And if you comment who you like best, me or Gaming Team 20.
What's with you with that? Have you got? I don't even know you knew that. How did you even know that?
If you like me, I'll give you a shout out.
Sweetheart, Yasmin, your YouTube channel's gone. I don't even know what happened to it. You don't even upload it. You're not uploading shout outs on my YouTube channel.
I am.
No, you're not.
From now on and now then.
You're really not. What the hell did you get? Have I got all of them now? Where did I get these keys from?
I found them. I'm not a sneaky man. I know everything, but I don't
How many
know.
keys do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go get me 3, my boy. 'Cause I don't know how life
You
works.
have a seed here and crack.
Oh yeah, we failed.
How much Rubens do you need to go to that shit?
Is it
300.
Oh my god, I only have 1. I need to.
First you have to get 10.
Guys, this is Yasmin. Poor Yasmin.
First you have to get 10, and then you have to get 300.
I only have 1 rebirth.
I really beat it here.
It's gonna take me like a year to get to that shit.
It's a secret place there.
Dude, it took me a week.
Dude, it took me a month.
It took me a week.
It took me 10 days.
Took me
Look, I'm
5
trying to
days.
find secrets.
I can't even talk anymore because I'm
There's some secrets. I need to find any secrets.
I actually have to be honest with you. I was shouting because there were people downstairs shouting so loud that I could hear them from here. If you guys could hear them, please just say hashtag I can hear them. Like I could hear them. It was really embarrassing. I tried to stop it.
I don't care. I need to get this case.
He said, "Why are you whispering?"
I don't care. I need to get this case. Is
Did you
what
know that way?
But Yasmin unlocked the demon bat curtain.
The demonic.
It's from the Halloween land. But
Hey guys, my favorite video from Game Team 20 is telling it.
Oh my god, I think you got all of them.
Do you know the way?
Wait,
Go
1, 2,
check
3,
it
4,
out.
5,
It's
6,
amazing.
7, 8, 9. Wait, I think you did it. Brother, did you do it?
I don't know.
Did you do it?
But she's bloody stupid. I don't know what to do with this man.
Yes, as well. We did bring him 2 keys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're
There's
missing,
one with the last ones in there.
we're missing 2.
Are we?
No, 1.
Not in
You
here.
guys glitched in there, remember Rossa players?
No, I've been in here already.
Oh.
Yeah, Nitro's just chilling. Guys, so that's Nitro Polio. Really cool guy. You need to follow him if you like him. I actually...
Why do you always care about this bloody Petsum?
Petsim's a nice game.
Petsum?
I swear, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You've got enough. Wait, what are you even doing?
I'm building it back so I can get more keys. Blah, blah, blah.
Why is Nitro frozen?
It's not a glitch, yes, then you can easily get there. Now, I don't know why, but I'm missing a 2 key.
Have you got key grade 8? Yep, we have.
Yes, we have, no.
Yeah, we have. You have got one of them.
Hey, I'm missing one. I got this only by myself.
in this 4-wheeler. Hey guys, comment which video you like the best from 1 to 6.
No more flipping commenting.
I like
come
doing
on.
this way.
I'm kind of what game I'll play on my account.
Please don't go.
Gear
I
5.
feel like just give us something.
Yes, I did. That game was Gear 5. Key 5.
Oh my god, I'm so dumb. You got very no keys.
How?
7, 6. They're wrong. Just look at that.
What?
Look, you don't look at this number. You look at this number.
I know.
We got 10, 9. We haven't got 8.
I know, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 8.
Really?
Yes. That's not 8, that's a room key.
What's that? I've got 2 and 1.
Sure.
Wait, we have got. No, we got 1, yeah.
Is this where 8 is?
Please. Yeah, no. I look completely wrong again.
No.
Guys, comment down below if you like me talking with my ugly face or with just chatting.
Meh, ugly face.
Wait, I think he got it. Oh my god, please don't tell me he's getting that. Because if he is, I'm gonna cry. I just want to sigh because I made up that name ages ago.
I got the pumpkin flavour.
Did you okay,
Follow this guy
Did you get
if
any
you
codes?
really like that Sam. He's really cool.
Did you get any codes yet?
Time to go to the ghost portal.
You done it 2 times! What? What is it? I will say what the reward is, but I don't want to know. Reward. I can't even spell. My pencil's so bad. I've also got a hat. What?
Kind of hat. Better than the Dominus. Ding ding ding.
Really got the stupid Dominus.
Um,
I wish there was a new Dominus.
yes, there is a new
Wait,
Dominus.
is there? What?
It's in a secret place. You might not know.
The secret.
I know
Ah.
it, but it's not in this place.
Okay.
It's not very secret. to
I'm
be
gonna end it in
honest.
3 minutes. I wanna go.
Do not! I'm coming there. I'll come there for your face.
Yusuf, shush. Shush.
We haven't seen this in the old update.
Yeah, now.
Yeah.
Amani, are you trying to get the gacha pod?
What did you just say?
Hey guys, if you don't know, we're
Nothing.
a big fan of Gacha Life and Gacha Studio.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, I want this! I want this! I want this! Oh my god, I'm never gonna get that. I'm never gonna get that. I haven't even got enough. I haven't even got enough.
You have got it.
I'm getting tired, guys. We're gonna end it here, okay?
See ya.
So, guys, thank you for watching. This was a really weird video that I randomly made.
2-second like challenge.
So
Can you
please do not know. So shut up.
like in
You-
3 seconds?
No.
3, 2,
No, you
1.
suck.
Calm down if you did. Okay, I see how the
Okay, so so basically, guys, remember the sweet and salt. I will give you a shout out. So please remember that. Please subscribe. Please hit that like
This is the
button.
best.
I would really appreciate it. And yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss any
We've
of the
only done it
videos.
without you. We've done the 5-second challenge.
Listen, I don't care. This is kind of my channel. Don't take on my channel. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Bye, guys! Oh, wait, don't forget to friend Nitro Polo. He is a really cool guy. He will really...
Friend worst ones, yeah.
He's cool and nice. And, yeah.